In a world rushing to keep up, we often neglect the foundation of our well-being: nutrition. We're bombarded with countless supplements, superfoods, and fad diets, leaving us confused and overwhelmed. But what if the answer to our health woes was simpler than we thought? Introducing chia seeds, tiny ancient powerhouses packed with nutrients that can revolutionize your life. Chia seeds, once a staple in ancient Aztec diets, are now gaining worldwide recognition for their impressive nutritional profile. These tiny oval-shaped seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals. But what does this mean for your health? Let's dive in. 1. Weight management and appetite control. Struggling to shed those extra pounds? Chia seeds can be your secret weapon. The high fiber content creates a gel-like substance in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. This helps control appetite, reduce calorie intake, and prevent overeating. Additionally, the protein content helps preserve muscle mass while supporting weight loss efforts. Fiber. Chia seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water, creating a gel-like substance that slows down digestion and helps you feel full. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. Protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. Consuming protein helps you feel satisfied and reduces cravings. Chia seeds contain a complete protein profile, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. 2. Heart health. Guardian. Your heart is the engine of your body. Keep it running smoothly with chia seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids in these tiny seeds are renowned for their heart protective properties. They help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and regulate blood pressure. Regular consumption of chia seeds can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, lower triglycerides, another type of blood fat, and improve blood clotting time. Antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that protect your heart cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Digestive dynamo. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. Chia seeds excel in promoting digestive health. The fiber content acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This improves digestion, prevents constipation, and reduces bloating. A healthy gut also supports a strong immune system. Fiber. As mentioned earlier, the fiber in chia seeds promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. Chia seeds provide the fuel these beneficial bacteria need to thrive. 4. Energy elixir. Feeling sluggish and tired? Chia seeds can be your energy savior. The combination of protein and fiber provides a sustained energy release, keeping you fueled and focused throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps. Plus, the B vitamins in chia seeds contribute to energy metabolism. Protein. Protein is a key building block of energy. It provides a steady release of energy, preventing those energy crashes. Fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue. 5. Skin and hair superfood. Achieve that coveted radiant glow and luscious locks with chia seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids nourish your skin from within, reducing inflammation and promoting a youthful complexion. The protein content strengthens your hair, reducing breakage and promoting growth. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids help hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and improves skin elasticity. Protein. Protein is a building block of hair, and consuming enough protein can help strengthen hair follicles and reduce breakage. 6. Bone health. Booster. Strong bones are essential for a healthy life, especially as we age. Chia seeds are a surprising source of calcium and phosphorus, two key minerals for bone health. While they might not replace dairy products as your primary calcium source, they can be a valuable addition to your diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can help prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Calcium, essential for building and maintaining bone density. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium for bone health. Magnesium. While not as abundant as calcium and phosphorus, chia seeds also contain magnesium, another mineral important for bone health. 7. Blood sugar balance. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, preventing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. The fiber in chia seeds helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes. This can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Fiber. The soluble fiber in chia seeds creates a gel-like substance in your digestive system, slowing down the absorption of glucose. Magnesium. This mineral plays a role in insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin effectively. 8. Hydration. Hero. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Chia seeds can help you stay hydrated. When mixed with water, they form a gel-like substance that helps retain fluids in your body. This can be particularly beneficial during exercise or in hot weather. Hydration. Chia seeds can help prevent dehydration, especially when consumed with water. Electrolytes. While not a primary source, chia seeds do contain small amounts of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which are essential for fluid balance. 9. Muscle building and recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, chia seeds can support your goals. The protein content helps build and repair muscle tissue, while the omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and aid in recovery. Protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, which can help with muscle soreness. 10. Antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals, which are linked to chronic diseases. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Inflammation. Reducing inflammation can benefit various health conditions. How to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easier than you think. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. Add them to baked goods like bread, muffins, or energy bars. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to find your favorites. From weight management and heart health to energy boosts and skin improvement, chia seeds offer a wide range of benefits. They're versatile, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So why wait? Unlock the power of these tiny nutritional powerhouses and experience the positive impact on your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.